In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build the ultimate Notion habit tracker. First and foremost, make sure to have your Notion account ready and accessible because we are going to dive right in. Begin by logging into your Notion account. If you haven't set it up already, simply head over to their website, follow the prompts to log in or sign up if necessary, and you'll be good to go. Once you're logged in, the first step is to create a new page. You can do this by navigating to your workspace and selecting the option to add a new page. Think of this page as your dedicated space for your habit tracker. It's where all the magic is going to happen. Next, give your page a meaningful name. For the sake of clarity, let's name it Habit Tracker. This will make it easy to locate among your other Notion pages, and more importantly, it keeps things neat and tidy. Now that you have your page, it's time to create your database. This is where you want to type in or table view. By doing so, Notion will set up a simple table layout for your habit tracker. This view is perfect for tracking multiple habits over a period of time, as it offers a clear and structured visualization of your progress. With your table in place, the next task involves setting up your columns. Your first column will likely be for the date, so you can clearly monitor when you're accomplishing your goals. Then, before you proceed, take a moment to think about the habits you want to track, whether it's drinking enough water, exercising, meditating, or something personal to you. Each habit will require its own column. For each habit, add a checkbox column. These checkboxes are simply to mark whether you've completed the habit on a given day. This interactive feature is a fantastic way to keep yourself accountable and visually see your accomplishments as you check off those boxes. Lastly, let's make this habit tracker not only functional, but visually appealing. You can modify colors to make it more engaging. Head to the settings of your table, and then click on Conditional Color. With this feature, you can highlight specific accomplishments or patterns. Maybe green for when every box for a habit is checked in a week, which can make sticking to your routine a little more fun and rewarding. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've set up an ultimate habit tracker in Notion that's not only practical, but also personalized to your needs. Use this tool daily to track and improve your habits, making small but meaningful adjustments to your lifestyle. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope this helps you take steps toward achieving your goals systematically.